Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. Like SOLIDWORKS Explorer, WhereUsed enables you to search for a component within a directory structure, with the additional option to searching for WhereUsed cases in one or more configurations. Firstly, I choose a component I want to find by designating the file or by selecting the active document. I then select the configurations of the component I want to search for. In this example, all M16 bolts. I can then choose my search folder or folders, in this example the folder 2017 projects. Options enable me to choose whether I want to search solely in the active configurations or in all configurations available. I can also choose to search in the top level assembly or browse all sub-levels and drawings. WhereUsed can scan all documents in all of the search folders selected. The results of the search are displayed when the process is complete. The WhereUsed references and their configuration appear as parents in the list. For each result, highlighted in colour, the quantities and standard properties for the file are displayed. Using the right-hand mouse button, it is possible to open the file or folder. We can start a new search or export the search results into a file.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award-winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.